Good evening, students. Today we will cover two topics: comparison of fractions. First, let us do comparison of fraction only, then we will do clock. Now here, first what we will do, we will see comparison of fractions. Fine. See what is important here, like we have to arrange fraction in ascending descending order. Yeah. So what is important? Like if we can see question in LCM topic, arrange the following in ascending order. जैसे ये question था 2/3, 4/5, 6/7, 8/9. We have to arrange this in ascending order. LCM method in some of the book, the method is given LCM method, where we will take LCM of the denominator, which is really a difficult method. Okay, we will cover comparison of fraction in detail, where what I will do today, I take 5-6 types we will cover in holistic way. So what you can do, type 1, you can write what is type 1 if denominator is constant. If denominator is constant. Like if you see 5/10 and 10/10. To compare this, we can convert in decimal 5/10, 10/10. 5/10 is half, 10/10 is 1. So can we say 1 is greater than half or 10/10 is greater than 5/10? So what is the rule? If denominator is constant, as numerator increase, fraction value increase. Okay, अगर डिनोमिनेटर कांस्टेंट है, एज न्यूमरेटर इंक्रीज फ्रैक्शन वैल्यू इंक्रीज, दिस 10 is greater than 5, so 10/10 as a fraction is greater than 5/10. How to use this? I tell you, like for example, it is given 3/43, this is 7/43, 5/43. If someone asks you which one is the largest fraction here, you can say 7/43 here is the largest, and which one here is smallest? 3/43. So what we have to do, if we have to arrange this in ascending order means smallest to the largest. So can we say 3/43 is smaller than 5/43, smaller than 7/43? So this 7/43 is the largest, 3/43 is the smallest. इसमें क्या ही रिपीट करूंगा, अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, एज न्यूमरेटर इंक्रीज वैल्यू इंक्रीज, 7 is greater than 5, तो 7/43 is greater than 5/43, 5 is greater than 3, तो एज ए फ्रैक्शन 5/43 is greater than 3/43. Now you try, if I ask you a question, 11/29, 19/29, 17/29. Out of this, tell me which one is the largest fraction. Or what you can say, like you can say this is A, B, C. So you can write in answer B is the largest. And which one is the smallest? You can say 11, or you can say A is the smallest. Now you arrange this in ascending order from smallest to the largest. So which one is the smallest? A, then C, then B. This is 11 upon 29. Then this is 17 upon 29, 19 upon 29. So this 19 upon 29 is the largest, 11 upon 29 is the smallest. Okay, so I tell you how we can apply type 1 where denominator is same. Like sometime our denominator is not same, but we can make our denominator same. Like here, this is 3 by 7 and 29 by 70. ठीक है, 7 and 70 we have different denominator. ये सिंप्लीफाई कैसे करोगे? हाउ यू कैन सिंप्लीफाई दिस? इनको सिंप्लीफाई करने का स्कोप ही नहीं है. So here 3 by 7 and 29 by 70, if it is asked, our denominator is different 7 and 70, but we can make denominator same. You can make it 7 or you can make it 70. I prefer to make 70. So what we can do, we can multiply it with 10. But the rule is, if you multiply denominator with 10, you have to multiply numerator with 10. You have to do the same operation. So it is 30 upon 70. This is 29 upon 70. Now you compare your numerator. Which one is larger? 30. So here 30 upon 70 is greater than 29 upon 70, or you can say 3 by 7 is greater than 29 upon 70 as a fraction. 3 by 7 is greater. Okay. So now, like for example, y multiply, और करोगे क्या भाई? इसको अगर 70 करना है, 7 को 70 बनाना है, what you will do, Arvind? If you have to make 7 70, what you have to do? 7 को 70 बनाने के लिए by what number you have to multiply? हाँ हार्दिक, इन दोनों में से कुछ भी किया जा सकता है. यस, 2.9 अपॉन 7 भी कर सकते हो. पल्लवी प्रिया, कुछ लेट ज्वाइन किया क्या आपने? Now here I take one more question. Those who joined late, just focus on this. ठीक है, आपका दिन यहीं से स्टार्ट हो रहा है आज. 4 by 9, 7 by 18, 41 by 90. Although you can check, we have different denominator, and it is asked which one is the largest fraction here, which one is the smallest fraction here. So what we can do, we have 9, 18, 90. So we can make it 90, so that each denominator will be 90. So task is, we have to make denominator same. Tell me how this 9 will become 90. You have to multiply with 10. So here also you have to do the same operation. So it is 40 upon 90. How this 18 will become 90? You have to multiply it with 5. तो इसको 5 से multiply करेंगे. This is 5. Here it is 35 upon 90. Now this is 41 upon 90. Tell me which one is the smallest here. 35 by 90 is smaller than 40 upon 90 is smaller than 41 upon 90. So you can say this one is the smallest. 7 upon 18 is the smallest fraction here. Fine. Let me ask you a question. Try to make your denominator same. 3/7, 9/14, 29/70. Take time, arrange these three fractions in ascending order. Try. CAB. Okay. So what we will do, we try to make it 70, multiply with 10, multiply with 10. So this is 30/70. Multiplied with 5, multiplied by 45/70. This is 29/70. So which one is the smallest? 29/70 matlab C, then A, then B. Now here, those who have joined late, you can just focus on type 2, you will be clear. Now next is type 2. Type 1 is if denominator is constant, as numerator increase, fraction value increase. Whereas in type 2, what we'll do, if numerator is constant, like here 5/5, 5/10, numerator is constant. Some students, they do mistake, they think it is 10, so they consider 5/10 is larger, but you check 5/5 is 1, 5/10 is half, so which one is larger? 1 is larger. Denominator is like that, कर्जा. डिनोमिनेटर जो होता है वो कर्जे की तरह है, जितना बढ़ेगा उतनी वर्थ कम होएगी. So idea here is if numerator is constant, as denominator increase, fraction value decrease. डिनोमिनेटर, अगर न्यूमरेटर कांस्टेंट है, डिनोमिनेटर बढ़ता जाएगा तो वैल्यू घटती जाएगी. 5/10 is smaller than 5/5. Like here, if I take one more example, like for example, this is 3/7, 3/13, 3/23. Sometime in flow, student, they do mistake, they consider 3/23 is the largest fraction. No, ये सबसे छोटा है. As denominator increase, value decrease. 3/23 is smaller than 3/13, smaller than 3/7. Here 3/7 is the largest fraction. Fine. Now you try this. 4/9, 4/41, 4/11. Out of this fraction, tell me which one is the smallest. यही तो गलती होती है, 4/9 को स्मॉलेस्ट लिख रहा है कोई. 4/41 is the smallest. Which one is the largest? So here denominator जितना बड़ा वैल्यू उतनी छोटी. So this is 4 upon 41 is smaller than 4 upon 11, smaller than 4 by 9. Here as a fraction 4 by 9 is the largest value. Now we talk about application of type 2. Sometimes our numerator is not constant, but we can make it. Like 3 by 7 and 30 upon 71. Here our numerator is not same, but it is very easy. 3 को 30 बना सकते हैं कि नहीं? So we can make it 330 by multiplying with 10. So it is 30 upon 70 and this is 30 upon 71. Now tell me which one is larger. 30 upon 70 is larger because as denominator increase, value decrease. So here what we will do, if our numerator is not same, we can try to make numerator same. Like I solve one more question for you. 3 by 7, 6 by 13, 30 upon 67. So what we can do, we can make it 30, 30, 30, multiply with 10, multiply with 10. This is 30 upon 70. Multiply with 5, multiply with 5, 30 upon 65. This is 30 upon 67. Now tell me which one is the smallest. 30 upon 70 is smaller than 30 upon 67, smaller than 30 upon 65. So this 30 upon 65 is the largest fraction here. Now you try one question. If your numerator is not same, you can try to make numerator same. 4 by 9, 8 upon 17, 40 upon 91. Take time and arrange this in ascending order. Try this question. So now here what we will do, multiply with 10, multiply with 10, this is 40 upon 90, we have to make it 40, multiply with 5, multiply with 5, 40 upon 85, this is 40 upon 91, this is the smallest CAB. Now is this type 2 clear? If our numerator is constant, as denominator increase, value decrease. Type 1 and type 2 are very easy. Now we increase difficulty level. Type 3. What is our type 3? Neither numerator nor denominator is constant. But acha, before I take type 3, let me tell you one more point. We divide fraction in two parts, proper fraction and improper fraction. I think all of you know that. Proper fraction and improper fraction. Proper fraction like 2 by 3, where numerator is lesser than denominator. Improper fraction like 3 by 2, where numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, all of you clear with proper fraction and improper fraction? Write yes in comment. Now here this type 3 is applicable for only proper fraction. Proper fraction. Proper fraction के लिए applicable है type 3. And for improper fraction we have type 4. यहाँ difference आ जाता है. What is type 3? Neither numerator nor denominator is constant, but the difference between numerator and denominator is constant. But the difference between numerator and denominator is constant. I give you example. If you study NCERT, you find they have given some example which are easy, ताकि concept समझ में आ जाए. I give you example, तो you can note down this example in your short notes, या इसी पे ध्यान रखना. Later on, after 3-4 months, when you revise, you focus on the given example. Like here 5 by 10, 10 by 15, 15 upon 20, ठीक है, 20 upon 25, or like 31 upon 36, ठीक है, 100 upon 105. It is not necessary like it is 5 by 10, it is 10. It can be 11 upon 16 also. But these are easy, that's why I'm taking. See, the point is neither numerator constant, numerator 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 100. Denominator 10, 15, 20. Neither numerator nor denominator constant. But the difference between numerator and denominator, there is a difference of 5, difference 5, difference 5, difference 5, difference 5. So there is a difference of 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So what is our type 3? Neither numerator constant nor denominator constant, but the difference between numerator and denominator is constant. मतलब हर किसी क्वेश्चन में देख लो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में 5 का डिफरेंस है. लाइक आई गिव यू वन मोर एग्जांपल. इट कैन बी लाइक 21 upon 23, 47 upon 49, 91 upon 93. You can see neither numerator constant nor denominator constant. Difference here is 2, 2, 2. So you can find there is a difference of 2 in numerator and denominator. So we have direct shortcut here. Let me solve this question. What is 5 by 10? Half. What is 10 by 15? 0.66. 15 upon 20 is 0.75. It is 0.8. This is greater than 0.9. तो ये भी ऐसा ही आएगा. ठीक है. So you can compare this. This is smallest. This is larger, larger, larger. So you can say this 100 upon 105 is the largest, 5 by 10 is the smallest. No need to do any calculation. What you can do, for a proper fraction, neither numerator constant nor denominator constant, but the difference between numerator denominator constant. In that question, as numerator increase, fraction value increase. ये 100 जो है सब में बड़ा है, तो ये सबसे बड़ा फ्रैक्शन है. 5 by 10 is the smallest fraction. Let me take 2 examples so that you can understand. Like in this question, here difference is 2, 2, 2. As numerator increase, fraction value increase, because these are proper fraction. This 91 upon 93, it is the largest fraction. And here this 21 upon 23, this is the smallest fraction. But for the difference has to be same. For numerator, denominator, difference has to be same. Let me take one more question. Like here 41 upon 44, 8 upon 11, 92 upon 95. So can you say there is a difference of 3, 3, 3? So out of this fraction, which one is the smallest? 8 upon 11. It is smaller than 41 upon 44, smaller than 92 upon 95. So here this is the largest and this is the smallest. Now try one question. जैसे अपना उसी में क्वेश्चन था HCF और LCM वाले हैंडआउट में, you have to arrange this into ascending order, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 6 by 7, 8 by 9. Don't use LCM method, that is very difficult method. Here can you see all these are proper fraction, difference 1 1 1 1. It take only 1 second to arrange this fraction in ascending order. Yes, 2 by 3 here is the smallest, smaller than 4 by 5, smaller than 6 by 7, smaller than 8 by 9. So you can say this 8 by 9 is the largest, 2 by 3 is the smallest. Now try one more question. 7 upon 9, 41 upon 43, 27 upon 29. You have to arrange this fraction in ascending order. Done. So here this 7 by 9 is smaller than 27 upon 29, smaller than 41 upon 43. So this is 41 upon 43 is the largest and this is the smallest. Fine. Okay, type 4. This type 4 is for improper fraction. Same चीज है but improper fractions है, and result is totally opposite. What is our type 4? Neither numerator constant nor denominator constant, but the difference between numerator and denominator is constant. But these are improper fraction. Like I give you one example. 10 upon 5, 15 upon 10, 20 upon 15, 25 upon 20, 105 upon 100. Okay. Acha, I tell you one important thing which I will discuss in blood relation class also. Our mind have one wonderful thing. Our mind have one wonderful ability to process half information. ठीक है, अभी एक सेंटेंस पूछ रहा हूं आपको. Sometimes on social media, Instagram, Telegram, okay, WhatsApp, you get a message, थोड़ा उल्टा सीधा लिखा होगा, if you can read this you are genius. ठीक है, because our mind, what our mind do, our mind collects small information and control. पूरा नहीं पढ़ता है अपना mind. But this create problem in CSAT. जो हम half information को process करते हैं ना, if you can dare this नहीं है, if you can read this है. Okay, so what happened, just see, your mind will read 105, your mind give a signal बड़ा number, सब में बड़ा है ना ये 105, 100 bigger number, then your mind conclude 105 larger, 100 larger, your mind will conclude it is the largest. But you wait, what is 10 by 5? 2. Convert in decimal. What is 15 by 10? 1.5. If you convert 20 upon 15 in decimal, it is 4 by 3, so it comes 1.333. It is 1.25, 1.05. Now tell me which one is largest. Which one is largest? 10 by 5 is largest. So you have to train your mind. You have to tell your mind again and again, these are improper fraction. So 105 upon 100 is not the largest, it is the smallest. So what is important? Neither numerator nor denominator constant, but if it is improper fraction, but the difference between numerator denominator constant, as denominator increase, value decrease, fraction value decrease. जो चीज बड़ी दिख रही है बड़ी है नहीं, वो छोटी है. Here 10 by 5 is the largest, 105 upon 100 is the smallest. See, I ask you a question, like this is 23 upon 21, 97 upon 95, 7 upon 5. What happened? Your mind will tell you that 97 upon 95 is the largest, but you have to be careful because of improper fraction. This 97 upon 95 is the smallest, or whereas 7 by 5 is the largest. You have to train your mind because of improper fraction. कैलकुलेटर यूज करके देख लो, पता चल जाएगा. 97 upon 95 is smaller than 23 upon 21, smaller than 7 by 5. Here 7 by 5 is the largest. Why? Because these are improper fraction. यहाँ पे रिजल्ट उल्टा होता है. I can explain you. Like here 10 by 5, 105 upon 100. Like these are the two businessmen. A put a investment of 5 crore, turnover 10 crore, net profit 5 crore. B put a investment 100 crore, turnover 105 crore, net profit is 5 crore. दोनों का प्रॉफिट तो बराबर है, but tell me which business is better? This is better because of less investment make same profit. तो जब improper fraction होते हैं, you have to be careful. This 105 upon 100, it is the actually smallest fraction. ये छोटा fraction है. Okay, now you try 40 upon 37, 7 by 4, 91 upon 88. You have to arrange this three fraction in ascending order. Try this question. Okay, what is the smallest? 91 upon 88. ठीक है, for today this is 91 upon 88. After 2 months I can tell you in exam, देखना कुछ लोग इसको largest लेंगे in a flow, they do carelessness, but you have to be careful. थोड़ा कंसंट्रेट करना कि प्रॉपर है कि इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है. सो दिस इज स्मॉलर देन 40 अपॉन 37, स्मॉलर देन 7/4. 7/4 दिखने में छोटा है, बट बिकॉज ऑफ इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट फ्रैक्शन. एनी डाउट इन दिस टाइप 4? if these are improper fraction, difference between numerator denominator constant, वैल्यू जितनी बड़ी दिख रही है वो उतनी ही छोटी होती है. Next is type 5. Name of this type 5 is cross multiplication. And here neither numerator constant nor denominator constant, even the difference between numerator denominator is not constant. मतलब type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 ना लगे. Like here 2/3, 4/7. Neither your numerator constant nor denominator constant, difference is also not constant. हम कौन होते हैं डिसाइड करने वाले इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन और प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन? वो तो एग्जामिनर देगा ना. अभी तो बताया है, अगर न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से छोटा है तो प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, अगर न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा है तो इम्प्रॉपर. ये 2/3 प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है, 3/2 इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है. न्यूमरेटर इज स्मॉलर देन डिनोमिनेटर, दैट इज प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. if numerator is greater than denominator, ठीक है जी. हाँ, टाइप 1 टाइप 2 एप्लीकेबल फॉर बोथ टाइप ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस. टाइप 5 इज ऑल्सो एप्लीकेबल फॉर इम्प्रॉपर प्रॉपर, बस टाइप 3 और टाइप 4 आर स्पेसिफिक. आकाश नायक, ठीक है. हैव यू वर्कड ऑन योर एनसीईआरटी 6th 7th 8th? क्योंकि मेरे पास जो लिस्ट आई है, जिसने अपना होमवर्क भेजा है, इसमें आकाश आपका नाम नहीं है. हाँ, प्रॉपर में ये होता है, इन्हें प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन वैल्यू जितनी बड़ी दिख रही है उतनी होती है, इम्प्रॉपर में नहीं होता है. Okay, now let us come. Yes, you can do that, but try to learn what is cross multiplication. नहीं, टाइप 2 में भी तो डिनोमिनेटर ही कंसीडर किया था रवि. टाइप 2 में भी तो हमने डिनोमिनेटर ही कंसीडर किया था. इफ न्यूमरेटर कांस्टेंट एज डिनोमिनेटर इंक्रीज फ्रैक्शन वैल्यू डिक्रीज. 1 और 3 सेम टाइप रखी है, 2 और 4 सेम टाइप रखी है. yes, that we will come to that point. Yes, we have to simplify, बट अब तक जो मैंने क्वेश्चन लिया उसमें सिंप्लीफिकेशन का स्कोप ही नहीं था। अर्पिता, okay, now here if numerator is not constant, denominator, चलो ये आप ये ले लो, चलो 5/8 ले लो, ठीक है, just change this question, 2/3 5/8, I have changed it, 2/3 5/8. So what is this cross multiplication method? Step number 1, we take denominator other side, denominator को दूसरी तरफ लेके जाना and multiply करना. This will be 2 into 8, this is 5 into 3 here. What is 2 into 8? 16. What is 5 into 3? 15. So tell me, out of 16 and 15, which one is larger? 16 is larger. So here 2/3 is larger. अगर ये बड़ा है तो ये बड़ा है. तो आकाश, यू हैव प्रॉब्लम विद द बेसिक, तो आपको बेसिक करना पड़ेगा, बिना फाउंडेशन के बिल्डिंग नहीं बनेगी. Okay, so here 2/3 5/8, how to cross multiply? Take denominator other side and multiply. So this is 2 into 8, this is 5 into 3, this is 16 15. If 16 is larger, left side fraction is larger, 2/3 is larger than 5/8. Let me take one more question, then ask you. Let me solve one more question for you. 7/10, 11/50. We have to find out of 7/10 and 11/15 which one is larger. So what we will do, we cross multiply. You take 10 this side, you take 15 this side. 7 into 15, this is 11 into 10. Denominator you have to take other side. Numerator नहीं जाएगा, denominator दूसरी तरफ जाएगा. So here what is 15 into 7? 105. What is this? 110. Which one is larger? 110 is larger. So 11/15 is larger than 7/10. So 11/15 is larger actually. Now you try. अभी पूछ रहा हूं आपसे. 4/7, 10/17. Try this question, just find which one is larger, which one is smaller. Which one is larger? Cross multiply, take 17 other side, 7 this side, 4 into 17, this is 10 into 7, it is 68, it is 70, so this is larger, 10/17 is larger. B is larger, very good. All of you clear with this cross multiplication? How to apply it? But there are two problems with this method. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड में दो प्रॉब्लम है. फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम हियर इज इफ इट इज मोर देन 2 फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है, अगर 2 से ज्यादा फ्रैक्शंस हो, बट नो प्रॉब्लम, वी कैन मैनेज इट. आई टेल यू हाउ. Let me take a question where we have 3 fractions or maybe more than 3 fractions. 2 by 3, 5 by 8, 7 by 10. Okay, you can't do like you compare 2 fraction this time, then this 2, then this 2. पूरा ओलंपिक गेम हो जाएगा, फिर मतलब गेम ही कराते रह जाओगे. So how to apply this method for more than 2 fraction? We have a shortcut. How we will do? So how to apply cross multiplication method? Like what you do, you hide this denominator. जो 2 के साथ डिनोमिनेटर है उसको हाइड कर लो. मल्टीप्लाई दिस न्यूमरेटर विद द रिमेनिंग डिनोमिनेटर. जो ये न्यूमरेटर है उसको बाकी सब डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 2 विल बी मल्टीप्लाई विद 8 and 10. I give an example. Might we have seen in a party there are couple. ठीक है, कपल है, हस्बैंड वाइफ हस्बैंड वाइफ हस्बैंड वाइफ. मतलब ये वो रंगीन हस्बैंड है, अपनी वाइफ से तो पूछेगा नहीं, दूसरे की पार्टनर को आइसक्रीम खिलाता फिरेगा. ठीक है, उनके लिए आइसक्रीम लाएगा, इसके लिए नहीं लाएगा, वो वाला हाल है. तो अपना डिनोमिनेटर छोड़ के बाकी डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 2 विल बी मल्टीप्लाई विद द रिमेनिंग डिनोमिनेटर. 2 मल्टीप्लाई विद 8 and 10. अब जैसे ये 8 हाइड कर लिया, 5 विल बी मल्टीप्लाई विद 3 and 10. यहाँ पे ये 7 जो है ये डिनोमिनेटर छोड़ दो, बाकी सबसे मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 7 into 3 into 8. This is our shortcut. If we have more than 2 fraction, we can manage it. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा ये 16 into 10 160. This is 15 into 10 150. This is 21 into 8 168. Then this is the smallest. It means 5 by 8 is the smallest. Smaller than 2 by 3, smaller than 7 by 10. So this 7 by 10 is the largest, this is the smallest. So you multiply numerator with the remaining denominator. That will help. That will help you to manage it. Let me ask you a question. Try this. Two by 5, 3 by 7, 7 by 10. Take your time. Just arrange this fraction in ascending order. Try this question. Try cross multiplication. Okay, done. So this is 2 into 7 into 10, 3 into 5 into 10, 7 into 5 into 7. This is 140, this is 150. अब ये क्या हो गया, 35 गुना में 7 या 49 into 5, 245. So this is the smallest, then this is the largest. Okay. Fine. But what is the main problem with this method, cross multiplication method? I tell you. I give you fractions. Yes, it is applicable. Except type 3 and type 4, all other type doesn't matter it is proper or improper. अगर होता तो मैं पहले ही बता देता. निशा, what is the issue? क्या प्रॉब्लम है? मतलब इसको 2 को 7 और 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, अपना खुद का डिनोमिनेटर छोड़ के बाकी सब डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. मल्टीप्लाई द न्यूमरेटर विद ऑल अदर डिनोमिनेटर, मल्टीप्लाई द न्यूमरेटर विद द रिमेनिंग डिनोमिनेटर. Now the problem here is, I give you fraction 1999 upon 3999, 2998 upon 4997. Now you multiply, कर लो multiply. 2 to 20 टेबल तो हमने याद नहीं की और 4 डिजिट नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. That is the problem. Cross multiplication for this question is suicidal. मतलब it will be more time consuming because we are not comfortable with multiplication of bigger number. So this is the problem with cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method is applicable for only small fractions. कहीं आपको अगर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड दिख जाए ना, सोशल मीडिया पे, यूट्यूब पे कोई टीचर पढ़ा रहा होगा या कहीं दिख जाए, तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड की लिमिटेशन क्या है? वो छोटे नंबर में तो हेल्प कर जाएगा, बड़े नंबर में हेल्प नहीं कर पाएगा. So what is the idea? Let us revise. Then I take this question with the help of type 6. Type 1 is if denominator constant as numerator increase, fraction value increase. Type 2, if numerator constant as denominator value increase, fraction value decrease. Type 3 proper fraction के लिए applicable है, neither numerator nor denominator constant, but the difference between numerator denominator constant 5 by 10, 10 by 15. ये वाला question. Type 4 is improper fraction, 10 by 5, 15 by 10. इसमें जो बड़ा दिखता है उतना छोटा होता है. Type 5 cross multiplication, but that is applicable for only small fraction. For big fraction it is not comfortable. बड़े फ्रैक्शन में क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हेल्प नहीं करेगा. नाउ हियर टाइप 6, यू पुट हेडिंग टाइप 6. टाइप 6 हियर इज अप्रोक्सीमेशन. ठीक है, फ्रैक्शन, डेसिमल एंड परसेंटेज. पहले हम अप्रोक्सीमेट करेंगे, फिर इट्स योर चॉइस, यू कैन कन्वर्ट फ्रैक्शन इनटू डेसिमल or you can convert fraction into percentage. This is for example, this is 1999. Can I take approximately it is 2000? By you have 3999 rupees and you are giving me 1999. तो मतलब इसका ये मान सकते हैं कि 4000 में से लगभग 2000 रुपए आपने मुझे दे दिया. This much approximation is allowed. You can do it. Here this is 4997. इसको ले लो approximately 5000, इसको ले लो 3000. फिर क्या करो? सिंप्लीफाई. ये तो हो गया 1/2, ये हो गया 3/5. So if you have larger fraction, we can approximate the value, then we can convert either this in decimal percentage or whatever you want. यहाँ पे अगर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है कर लो, but first we have to simplify the fraction by doing approximation. See here, in this type of value, adding 1, subtracting 1 will not make a difference. If it is 2001, you can make it 2000. But approximation का भी रूल होता है, up to 1% approximation we generally do. मतलब 2001 में से 1 ले लोगे तो 2000 होगा, अंबानी में से लाख रुपए माइनस कर दोगे फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. बट अगर ये 1/3 है, इसको 0 मत लिख देना, नंगा नाएगा क्या निचोड़ेगा क्या. मतलब अप्रोक्सीमेशन की एक रेंज है. वैल्यू छोटी है तो उसमें नहीं अप्रोक्सीमेशन होता, वैल्यू बड़ी है तो वी कैन डू अप्रोक्सीमेशन. If it is 2001, you can take it 2000. If it is 2002, you can take it 2000. That is allowed. So what we can do, we can write it as approximately 2000 upon 4000. This is 3000 upon 5000. Simplify it, 1/2, 3/5. After that, it's your choice. You can convert this in decimal. It is half. It is 0.6. 0.6 is larger. Or you can cross multiply. 5, 6, 6 is larger than 5, so 3/5 is large. But the idea is we have to simplify it, or you can apply approximation, you can use decimal or you can use percentage. If your type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not applicable, then what you can do, you can convert fraction into decimal or fraction into percentage. Decimal, like what we have studied during school days. बोथ आर सेम. कैसे है सेम? एक 1/2 एक 3/5 है. 1/2 हाफ होता है, 3/5 0.6 होता है. सो विच इज लार्जर? 0.6 इज लार्जर. ओके. हाँ, अप्रोक्सीमेशन के बाद आपकी मर्जी है, कुछ मर्जी लगाओ. But idea is if your type 1 is applicable, okay, type 2 is applicable, okay, type 3 is applicable, okay, 4 is applicable, 5 is applicable. Otherwise, if any other fractions are there, first you approximate or simplify it, then you can convert that in decimal, percentage, or you can apply any of your shortcut. But उसको simplify करना पड़ेगा या उसको decimal और percentage में convert करना पड़ेगा. Fine.